Welcome to Seed to Life. I'm very happy to share with you my 50th video. Thank you for all your support and blessings. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you how I germinated Parijat seeds successfully. Parijat is an elegant tree. The flowers are very fragrant and delicate. This tree is known by various names such as coral jasmine, night flowering jasmine, Parijat, Harsinghar, Hewali, Sepalika, Gulkama, and possibly by many more names. It is commonly seen in tropical regions of Southeastern Asian countries, but here in the United States it is very rare. I have seen a few online sellers selling the plants as well as seeds here, and I have tried growing a plant once in the past, but that was not a successful attempt. Parijat likes tropical weather, and challenges of the long, dry, and hot summers in my region make it difficult sometimes. This time I am growing it from seeds. I had 6 Parijat seeds, and as I mentioned earlier, Parijat is a delicate tree, especially the seedlings. Also, the temperature in my region is not consistent, so watering can be challenging. Considering how rare the seeds are, I didn't want to mess up. Many times it happens that the new seeds get ruined by moisture, so this time I tried to germinate the seeds in sand. However, I didn't want to move the seedlings immediately because I didn't want to disturb the delicate new roots. So what I did was I added about 1.5 inches of the sand above the potting mix, and that way in the initial days when the seedlings need loose soil, the roots grow with minimal resistance in the loose sand immediately after germination. Also, the top layer of the sand keeps the small pests like fungus gnats away for the first few weeks. I planted the seeds superficially just about 1/4 inch deep into the sand, but kept the potting mix moist to prevent drying of the seeds. The roots grow faster in the sand, and as they get longer they go underneath in the potting mix. You can add some sand also to the potting mix to prevent any stagnation of water, because I have observed that the soil needs to be really well draining for Parijat seedlings. The germination time is about 2 weeks depending on how fresh the seeds are. The seeds that I received did not look new, so it took them more than 2 weeks to germinate. The growing temperature for Parijat is like many other tropical plants is between 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. As the seeds started sprouting, I moved one of the seedlings in the other pot. Parijat doesn't tolerate frost. During winter, you need to protect the tree from cold. Currently, I have plants inside my house. This is how the seedlings look after about 3 weeks. The fully grown tree grows up to 10 feet tall, and it's like a big bush. You can see here the leaves have serrated margins and they are shiny but rough in texture. It's a long way until I will see the flowers blooming on these seedlings. Probably many years. Until then, I can celebrate the small success. A big thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos, and feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions. I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.